Hey, if you want to disable Talkback on the Redmi Pad Pro, first of all, you will have to open the settings. So to select something, you will have to actually click on it, and then when it's selected with this yellow frame, green frame, you will have to quickly double tap. So tap on it once and then double tap quickly. And now, if you want to scroll down or scroll up, you will have to use your two fingers. With the one finger, it doesn't work. So use your two fingers and scroll all the way down on the left side, then select additional settings and then quickly double tap. Then you will have to move into the accessibility, tap on it once and then double tap. Then go to the vision, select Talkback, and now tap on the switcher, select stop,
Talkback off.
and as you can see, it's finished. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.